Okay, I'm here with Siobhan on the left-hand side. Just show who you are, Siobhan. Yes, that's you. And then I've got Marie on the right-hand side as you're looking at the video. So we're going to be having some professional discussion on the Learning Outcome 2 for Unit 1, which is know how to plan activity sessions, and that incorporates criteria 2.1 through to 2.6. So, Marie, could you give me a couple of things that a session plan should cover, please? What should a session plan cover?
You should cover backup plan
Yep.
and a demonstration so you can demonstrate it and they can demonstrate it back to see what they've learned.
Okay, so that's within your session. Siobhan, anything else that you can cover in a session plan?
Main session, health and safety,
Yep.
a warm up,
Yep. What would be at the end of the session?
A cool down.
Good. Okay. We'll move on to 2.2, which is why is it important, Siobhan, that we treat information about participants confidentially? And what does this mean?
Well, if someone tells you something, you need to keep it to yourself, and you don't break that confidentiality unless they're harming themselves,
Okay, good. And
putting themselves at risk.
brilliant. Marie, is there anything to add?
And it's personal, so it shouldn't go to someone else.
Fantastic, good stuff. Okay, so can you describe to me how to develop and check objective sequences and timings, Marie?
Timekeeping.
Okay, can you specifically talk to me about checking the objectives? So how are you going to develop and check your objectives? So at the start of your session, you'll have a couple of objectives, which will be what you want them to do at the end of the session. How are you going to make sure that they are happening in your session? What are you going to do?
Demonstrate it.
Okay, who's going to demonstrate it?
The coach.
Okay, and who else will be demonstrating it?
The participants.
Good. And Siobhan, what else might you do to check the objectives?
You might ask them questions to see if they understand it.
Brilliant. Good stuff. Siobhan, can you tell me about how to find out about equipment and facilities that might be available for your session? So how are you going to find out about the equipment and facilities that you're going to be able to have at your session? What might you have to do?
You might need to look to see what equipment is available.
Yep,
Make a list of the equipment that you might need.
yep. And what else could you do? Would you just turn up on the day, Marie?
No. You have to plan it before you come to the session.
Okay, so what might you do? So you're going into a school. What might you do to ensure that you have enough equipment beforehand when you go to the school?
You have to check with the coach or someone that to make sure that you have all the equipment.
Good. And would you do it on the day or maybe before?
Before, yeah.
Good. Okay, so can you give me a specific example, a circumstance that might change and how you can plan for this circumstance? So,
Weather.
okay, so change of weather. How would that circumstance change your plan?
Because you might want to do like a session outside
Yep.
when it starts raining, so you might have to change it.
Okay,
In the backup plan of where the session might be.
brilliant. And Marie, anything to add?
If it's windy outside, you might have to do it inside.
Okay. And then can you outline why it's important to get the approval of a colleague responsible for the program?
Because they're responsible for it.
Okay. So they're responsible, which means overall they are what?
They are your boss.
Okay. Which also means that they are...
They are. It's their program.
Okay, so they're in...
That means that if they don't know what you're doing, that's why you need to tell them what you're doing, because they might not know.
Okay, brilliant. Siobhan, anything to add?
No, nothing.
Perfect. Thank you very